Hi, everybody. It's Allison Williams here again, your law firm mentor. Law Firm Mentor is a business coaching service for solo and small law firm attorneys. We help lawyers to grow their revenues, crush chaos in business, and make more money. And so recently I did a video about calendaring, and someone asked me a question I thought was just a brilliant question, like, what is the big deal with calendaring? Why is it so important? And the first thing I said was that the very first thing I do when I start working with a coaching client is to look at 90 days of their calendar entries, because that usually tells me where your priorities lie, right? If you have on your calendar time to go to your kid's baseball team and time to go shopping and time to rest and relax, I know that those are priorities for you. Just as I know, as you are in the practice of law, if you're always in court or you're always serving clients, that that's what your priority is. And you may be thinking, well, what's wrong with that, right? I'm a lawyer. I should be lawyering as my primary mode of activity. But the reality is, when you own a business, you lose the freedom to some degree to be able to just be the practitioner. You must be a responsible business owner, and that means getting other people to do the work for you. So the first thing that people say is, I don't have a lot of money, I can't go out and hire people. But the reality is, if you have work in your business, you have earning capacity. That means you're going to start here and it's going to expand. And there's always things that you're not getting to because you're off in court somewhere and things are exploding back at the ranch. So in order to grow, you have to think about the idea of how much is on your plate and how much you can delegate down. And by delegate down, we're not talking about looking down at people, but we're talking about getting things off of your plate to the lowest compensated person who can do the highest value of work. So that typically means a paralegal to start. That person can generate revenue because they can be billed out for the work that they do. And then at some point in time, you're going to be talking about adding attorneys, and that would be adding associate attorneys, maybe in a counsel, and at some point, maybe even a partner. But you have to get work off of your plate, and you have to be able to have the time to do the things that will grow the business, like investing in marketing and selling your services. If you're not doing those things, then what typically is going to happen is you're going to run out of money, right? Because it's gonna be the roller coaster. You're gonna start, you take the client in, you're climbing the roller coaster, you're climbing, and then you're on a nosedive because you haven't marketed. So now that case is tailing out, and you don't have any more coming in from that case. And you don't have the next case because you haven't spent your time marketing to get in more cases. So there has to be a balance between some time going to doing the work so that you can bill your time and collect revenue on that work, and getting more work. There's always going to be a season of doing the work and a season of getting more work. And much of that is what we work on here at Law Firm Mentor. We help people to be able to really strategically decide how much of their time, at what hourly rate, and at what rate of anticipated collections you can be investing in getting money in the door, while at the same time pursuing avenues that are going to generate a consistent, steady stream of revenue in the future. That's about marketing, but it's also about sales. So again, Law Firm Mentor helps lawyers get more money and more free time. The more money part of it is through marketing and sales. The more time part of it is people and systems. We help you with marketing, sales, people, and systems. I'm Allison Williams, your Law Firm Mentor. Have a great day.